Oh yeah, look the price. Very cheap.
Yeah, this is the most famous pastry cake.
And the Philippine guys.
Okay, bro. Okay, okay.
Thank you. But not very interesting.
Which one?
There is one little catacomb, but it's not very interesting.
Are there many catacombs near here?
Yeah. I don't remember the name of the guys. I know there is St. Paul Catacomb. It's the biggest.
Let's go.
It's a little museum.
Oh, spider.